Still playing Moon Race. There's the progressives. 10 free games. Let's go. Last one was a Sando. Got $10 only. So let's do something better. Come on. Come on, halfway through. We can do it. Come on, I have faith in you. Come on. Yes, there we go. Let's go. Come on, balls. Big balls. Big balls. I like that miner. I saw it spinning around in there. Come on, you can do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. A lot of space. Okay, last one. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. All right. Come on, we can do it. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right. One more. Let's get it. That 51,000 grand would be awesome. Let's go. Come on. You're in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. All right. Four more games left. Let's go. Thought I was going to get a re-trigger there for a seckie. Oh, got it again. Nice. Let's go. Come on, balls. Ooh, $500 miner. Yeah, baby. Keep it up. Come on, we can do it. Let's go. Keep going. Save it, save it, save it, save it. Anything, yes. Four more, let's hit them. Four more. Ooh, $100 mini. Let's go. Two more, let's get it. Right there. Do it. Do it. Okay, save it. Save it. Last one. Save it. Save it. Aw. I love champagne. Alrighty. Let's game. Let's game. Alrighty. That was not a bad hit at all.